Do you want to learn how to make your dashboards run much faster? Well, let me show you something called context filtering. Here we are in Tableau desktop, and I have a data set here like we always do, and I'm going to take this and go into Microsoft Excel so you can see exactly what we're going to be talking about. So in Tableau, whenever we apply a filter, okay, what it's doing is, say I'm here in category. I'm going to sort this highest to lowest. So I've got furniture, I've got office supplies, and I've got technology. All right, let me change this color. Technology and green. So say I want to go, I'm only interested in office supplies. So it's going to filter for this section right here. Okay, now as a computer, imagine it has eyeballs. What it's doing is it's going here. Is this equal to office supplies? No. Is this equal to office supplies? No. And it's going through that one by one. Now, if you have a data set that's significantly large, we're talking in the hundreds of thousands, millions, tens of millions, hundreds of millions, that's a lot of checks that you have to do. However, a lot of analysts like to brute force things because our computers are just so fast these days. But you have to consider the performance at this level because data sets get larger. Data sets get more complicated. We have to bring other data sets in. And so performance, you really start to feel it as your solution matures. And the mistake I see a lot of people make is they go, well, right now it's running super fast. So they put no thought into this. And in 6 months, I have to rebuild it. And then in another 3 months, they're going to rebuild it again. And you're adding all this rebuild time. So think about performance from the very beginning. So here we are. And we've filtered now for office supplies. So the way filtering works in Tableau is it goes, well, we want to do another filter. And what is it doing? Let's say we want to filter this group right here. Let me highlight it in orange. Okay. And the second filter we're doing is I'm only interested in shipped early. So let me put a filter here so you guys can see it. Okay. There's all the shipped early ones in red. Let me get rid of that other orange one. So what Tableau is doing is what you would think logically it was doing is, well, you've already filtered for office supplies. So I'm only going to check in here. But that's not what Tableau does. What Tableau actually does is he goes, all right, is this one shipped early? No. Is this one shipped early? No. Is this one shipped early? And so on until it gets to this group here. So basically what it's doing is it's performing redundant calculations on this and on this. Now you're wondering, well, that's 0.0001 microseconds or whatever of check. Why do I care about that? Like I said before, when you have millions or hundreds of millions of rows of data, you have lots of fields, all of this compounds. Some people bring in more fields than they need to. So they have all these fields, for example, that they never use in their visualization. So you add that inefficiency, you add this filtering inefficiency, you add the inefficiency of how they design their dashboards, all the actions, all the calculations that they do, the logic sequences. Once you add all that up, it multiplies. And that's the difference between dashboards that run instantly and ones that take 10 minutes to load. It is a big difference. Okay, so the way around this is to do something called context filtering. And it's a simple click in Tableau such that when this one has been filtered for office supplies, any subsequent calculations, not just filtering, only occurs on this subset of data. So you can imagine if I filter this office supplies like so, and I filter for shipped early, and I apply a context filter on this as well, then all my subsequent calculations and filters and all that is only going to apply to this subset. It is literally the difference between applying it on all 1 million rows and possibly applying it on only 10,000 rows. It's a huge difference. So let me show you in Tableau how you actually apply it. Let's go jump to Tableau. Here we are. Let's clear all this. So say I have the category like so, and then we have the ship. I think it was ship mode, was it? No, ship status. There we go. Okay. To apply a context filter on these two fields, it's this simple. If you bring category into this filter, like so, we're going to create a standard filter. So we're going to go office supplies, and that is it. Okay. Now to apply a context filter, we right click and go add to context. And this is literally the cheapest way to make your dashboards run really, really fast. Okay. And it costs like a click. It's a secret weapon. So go add to context. It will turn dark gray. It is now a context filter. Now keep in mind when you do this, any filters or global calculations, things like level of detail calculations, anything that this filters out will no longer factor into those calculations. So keep it in mind. Okay. So now if I want to filter also for shipped early, I can bring it in here from the left, or I can filter directly. Whoops. What have I done there? Or I can filter directly off the visualization, right? So I can go shipped early, keep only, and I've lost that filter, and then apply it on the second one. Okay, there you go. So now anything I do later on is a lot more efficient. So now you're probably asking, well, why not just do context filters for everything? Well, that's because there are certain functions where when you do a context filter, it doesn't calculate correctly. So this is on a specific situation, right? Where it is extremely useful. So have a play, see how you go. By the way, I teach all of this filtering stuff in detail on my website, so be sure to check that out. Until next time, have a great day and bye.